Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video, I'm going to show you a little DIY hack to create interchangeable earrings. Now, this is going to be using the kidney ear wires, and that is this right here. So I have this little gold version. And we do have them in different sizes, so I did pull out a couple of different sizes there in the silver so you can see. But this is really crucial to use those kidney ear wires with. And the reason we don't want to use a hook like this is because we have to open and close that little loop, and eventually it will break over time. But with this little tip I'm going to show you here, the kidney wires are really the perfect thing for an interchangeable earring. So I have a strand of Czech glass. Now these are 6 millimeters, so these are nice and tiny because I'm going to be using my smallest ones here. But just for comparison, I have some 8 millimeters there, and I also have some 10 millimeter Jersey beads here. So you can use whatever you want. You can also use charms as well, so that's a great opportunity there for you. All right, so the reason I brought out this mixed strand here is because watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut that off and kind of just go ahead and pull that string out. There we go. And in here, we're going to have all kinds of different beads to be able to match up. So to create little pairs, you can just grab a couple of each of the little colors there. And here, there we go. So we have kind of the four main ones there. All right, so now what's really neat is all you need to do is take a head pin here, and this is a 2-inch 22 gauge, and all I'm going to do is just slide on one of those little beads, bring it all the way down to the end like so, come in with my round nose pliers, and here's where we're going to do a nice little tight wrapped wire loop. So I'm just a hair above where the bead sits there. So I'm just going to bend that backwards with my pliers, wrap the wire up and over the top of that top nose, rotate my pliers so I can have room to bring it all the way across there. So you can just see like so. And now just for a little extra tightness here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this tail end with my chain nose pliers, and I'm going to wrap it around really nice and tight. And you can notice I'm wrapping it around the little nose of my pliers there as well. But I have a little triple wrap on my bead. So now just come in with your flush cutters and give that a nice little trim. Set the scrap aside, and we have one of our little components there. So you can just see that I have a nice little component. So now I can just repeat that with, I'm going to do actually a different color now because I'm going to show you how you can interchange these. So let's just go ahead and repeat that really quick. Make sure you get a good grip on that. There we go. Okay, so now I have 2 different colors there, and all I need to do is just open up my ear wire by just giving it a little squeeze and kind of sliding that little piece out, and then I can just slide on my wrapped wire loop to my earring. And now I can close it up. And it's okay to open and close this mechanism because that's how you wear it, so you'd have to be able to open and close it on your own as it is. So that is how you can get a really simple pair of earrings. And this is a great little travel hack too, because let's say I was wearing my green dress during the day and now I'm going to wear my lime dress at night. I can just slip that off and slip on this one. And now I have a completely different pair of earrings. So it's a great little hack. And again, using these mixed strands are so fun. These also come in the larger sizes as well, so if that's something you're looking for. But play around with having some of these little kidney wires. You can go even big and bold. You can just see how much bigger this is in my hand than the little guy here. But you can have a lot of fun creating interchangeable earrings by using these kidney ear wires. All right, I hope you enjoyed this little video. You can find all of these supplies and see even more tutorial videos by heading over to Beadaholique.com.